3, 2, 1.
What does some amphibians have as juveniles, but not as adults living on land? The answer is B, lateral line system. Which American inventor was best known for his electric sewing machine? The answer is C, Isaac Singer. Samhain was a time of bonfire rituals. What was the traditional number of bonfires built for a Samhain ceremony? The answer is C, 2. What is it called when a human has an extra autosome? The answer is A, trisomy. Each muscle fiber contains hundreds of organelles called what? The answer is D, myofibrils. Which of these isn't a type of coat? The answer is D, robe. Who is the lead singer of the band Green Day? The answer is A, Billy Joe Armstrong. Which Celtic deity was associated with the sun, light, and life? The answer is B, Cernunnos. In The Godfather, who is offered an olive to symbolize peace? The answer is B, Sonny Corleone. What does a refrigerator keep cool? The answer is A, air. Who composed the music for the Lion King soundtrack? The answer is B, Hans Zimmer. The process of making a polymer is called what? The answer is B, polymerization. How will a thriving grassland ecosystem most likely be affected by a drought? The answer is B, animals will be forced to migrate. Who wrote Mein Kampf, My Struggle? The answer is D, Adolf Hitler. What does OPEC stand for? The answer is A, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. What feature of the turtle species Dermocles coriacea makes it easily distinguishable from all the other sea turtles? The answer is B, it has no shell. What is the study of how individuals, businesses, and governments make choices about allocating resources to satisfy their unlimited wants called? The answer is C, microeconomics. Who drew the first political cartoon published in an American newspaper? The answer is B, Ben Franklin. Which of these 2011 movie with multiple Academy Award nominations is not correctly matched with its director? The answer is B, Hugo David Fincher. making up about 50% of the modern American diet. What food group can be classified according to the number of monomers they contain of simple sugars and / or complex sugars? The answer is C, carbohydrates. What is Martin Luther King Jr. most famous for? The answer is C, leading the civil rights movement. Which celestial body has a surface similar to Earth's? The answer is A, Mars. What was Riley Finn's real name in the Buffy series? The answer is A, that was his real name. What gland is a butterfly-shaped organ located in the neck anterior to the trachea? The answer is B, thyroid gland. The cube root of 64 equals? The answer is C, 4. What is the first computer virus called? The answer is A, creeper. Pairs of fish that do not practice broadcast what may exhibit courtship behavior. The answer is B, spawning. Hydrogen gas is generated by the reaction of nitric acid and what else? The answer is A, elemental iron. What is the Roman equivalent of the Greek god Apollo? The answer is D, Apollo. Which country hosts the city of Venice? The answer is B, Spain. What is the study of how people perceive, think about, and interact with each other called? The answer is B, social psychology. B. Electricity has many uses. Which device is designed to transform electrical energy into useful heat energy? The answer is B, an electric stove. What is a kitchen appliance that uses steam to cook food? The answer is B, microwave. What is the main function of a toothbrush? The answer is C, cleaning teeth. A binary molecular compound is made up of two of what? The answer is A, elements. Which two famous ghosts supposedly haunt the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel? The answer is D, Marilyn Monroe and Montgomery Clift. Which of the following would be reason for animals to leave their environment? The answer is A, hurricane. Which kitchen item has a handle and long, thin neck? The answer is D, pitcher. What does MRI stand for in medical imaging? The answer is A. Magnetic resonance imaging. Which law explains that an object in motion tends to stay in motion unless acted upon by a force? The answer is A. Newton's first law of motion. The esophagus runs a mainly straight route through the mediastinum of what? The answer is A. Thorax. What is the most visited website according to Alexa? The answer is A. Google. Do you like listening to MP3s? What does this mystical acronym mean? The answer is A. Moving Picture Experts Group Layer 3 Audio. Who was the president of the U.S. during the Mexican-American War? The answer is B. James Polk. Who is a proponent of Stoicism? The answer is C. Seneca. What 1960 movie stars Elizabeth Taylor as a fashion model and party girl who lives a wild and promiscuous life? The answer is B. Butterfield 8. Illinois is the leading producer in the U.S. of which of these crops? The answer is D. Soybeans. In the movie Adventures in Babysitting, Chris and the kids are on the subway and are caught in the middle of a gang fight. Brad gets a knife stuck in his foot. How many stitches does he need? The answer is A. 1. A solution is what type of mixture, where the dissolved particles are spread evenly through the mixture? The answer is A. Homogeneous. All solutions contain at least how many substances?